Right now we're in a race to save lives, so we cannot wait. So I would say to those people who are fearful of the vaccine being made too fast, it's not fast-tracked in a way where we're making shortcuts and we're not worried about long-term effects. It's just that it gets pushed to the front of the line. When you're looking for solutions in the vaccine, it depends on what the goal is. Some researchers' goal is to attack the virus itself, maybe using its ligands that you see that pop out like spikes. Maybe you want to attack those and maybe destroy the virus itself, or you want to use your cells and hijack your cell's machinery and tell it to attack the virus or not accept the virus at all. Maybe build something around your cell to protect it from the COVID virus from even attaching to your cell. Because any virus needs a human to survive. A virus is not a living thing. In the vaccine race, to get to an actual treatment, you have to go through mice, you have to go through chimps, you have to inject them with your compound. You cannot call it a vaccine quite yet. You can only call it a compound. You can call it a solution. Once phase 1 trials start, you determine what dosage is the lowest that will have an effect on the human. So you want to start low. Once you start at a low concentration of this vaccine, this future vaccine, you start increasing the dosage from when it starts affecting a human to when it is too much. And somewhere in between there, you are giving different doses to different humans. It becomes more randomized with the amount of people that you choose for your trial. So you want all types of people. You want people with varying ages. You want people with varying socioeconomic statuses. You want people of varying races and backgrounds and all of that. It is important to have as much spread data as possible when you are doing your trials. And in phase 3 is the biggest trial of them all because you increase your sample size and you start comparing the standard of what is already out there, if there is such a thing, to your new drug. And then you compare to see if it is any better. If it is any better, then that's great news. Now we're just looking at side effects. So you start building side effects of this vaccine. So, for instance, Moderna, if they get FDA approval for their vaccine, in order for the entire world to get this vaccine, they will have to license out their product. So Moderna will license out their product to other manufacturers who can make it. And those manufacturers get all the raw materials that are necessary and start making it and distribute it. Considering that we have been in this for less than a year, it does seem very fast. But again, in the FDA journey of creating a drug at all, from the moment of conception until the approval of the FDA, there is a lot of waiting time. There's a lot of downtime because the government is slow. The FDA is a government entity and it just runs really slow.